Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a headlight bulb on an Infiniti G35. First, gather your tools, including a screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Always ensure your vehicle's engine is completely off and cool to the touch before you begin. For safety, it's a good idea to wear protective gloves throughout the process to prevent any skin irritation or transfer of oils. Next, you'll need to access the headlight assembly. Depending on your G35 model, this might involve removing a few clips or screws from the bumper or fender liner. Carefully pull back any plastic covers that are obstructing your view or access to the bulb. Once clear, locate the electrical connector attached to the back of the old headlight bulb and gently disconnect it. Now it's time to remove the old bulb. Depending on the bulb type, you might need to twist it counterclockwise or unclip a retaining spring. Carefully pull the old bulb straight out. When inserting the new bulb, avoid touching the glass with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Align the new bulb correctly and secure it into its housing, then firmly reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, before reassembling everything, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, carefully reassemble all the components you removed, ensuring all clips and screws are securely fastened. Double-check that everything is tight and in place. For other great deals and to upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below. It's a fantastic way to keep your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.